When you sit on a beach and start watching the waves, as the waves keep coming, they appear and disappear, you understand that the waves are part of the ocean. There is no stop to these waves. In the same way, if we look at life, the struggles, the inconveniences, the frustrations that we face in life is part of life itself. If we think otherwise, we are living in a land of dreams. When it comes to reality, we need to understand what is there in front of us. We should be able to accept as they are. We cannot wish away the struggles and the frustrations. We need to confront them. We need to first see what they are. We should have a deep acceptance that this is part of life. This is part of my living experience. The waves are part of the ocean. If we have that acceptance as the first step, we can move beyond that. What are these struggles? Why do they appear? What are the causes for these struggles? Is there a way for me to overcome this struggle? Is there a way to fix this? If we can take some time to think about it, we will find a solution. Most of the times, we are always running. We don't have the time to sit and think. It's not that all of our struggles are going to be taken care of this way, but most of the struggles and our frustrations can be taken care of. For example, if you're looking for a job, and if you know the difficulty of finding a new job and the struggles associated with that, you start by sitting silently to understand the challenges. If you can identify those challenges and have a plan to overcome them, you have conquered your struggle. You can apply this in many different situations, not just in job seeking. Likewise, if we can take time to understand what the struggles are, how you can overcome them, there is a way to come out of those struggles. This is just the first step. Acceptance and thinking. But there is also another way of looking at these struggles and inconveniences and frustrations. First of all, our expectation from this life is so much. We expect a lot. We want to have a bed of roses to walk by. We want to live in a world of dreams. We are not ready to face the reality. If we have a very clear mind to see the things as they are, without any of our filters, without any of our expectations, then you are out of those struggles. This is where mindfulness and meditation come in. Meditation is one of the way to bring some clarity to your mind. Only if you have the clarity of your mind, you can see things as they are. This will help you to overcome those struggles. It will give you ways to come out of those struggles. Ultimately, when it comes to all the struggles we face in our life, if we have the mind to accept them, if we have the vision to say what they are, then you are out of those struggles. What we have been learning in all our classes points to this one goal. Have the right vision, have a clear mind, and then you see the world. The transformation needs to start with you, with your mind. When that mind is clear, when that mind is stable, it can see the world as it is. Then there are no more struggles, no more frustrations.